Tommy here from Green Rhino. Going ahead and doing just a living room with a pet treatment today. And I may be doing the sofa. We'll see. Alright, I went ahead and knocked out this sofa real quick. I'm just going to be videotaping the carpets today. I'm putting a deodorizer down for the customer. Just in these areas here. Yeah, he has a cat, so sometimes stuff happens. I'm using hydroxide extreme today. I went and ordered some new stuff. I've seen some really good reviews on. I'll be testing that stuff out on the next pet odor or odor problem I got coming up. But for now, although I haven't had any complaints of this product, I read a lot of reviews of people saying that they get callbacks sometimes, and they were using this other product and they love it, so I'll be sure to make a video on that. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna pre-spray. If I remember last time it was over in this area. This is my pre-spray. Alrighty guys, all finished up. Customer was very, very happy. The second time using me. Used me about 9 months ago, I believe. And yeah, when I finished up, he walked around and smelled and looked. He said, "You must be using some good stuff, because I just can't get this to look like this, you know." From what I see, carpets were in great condition as far as stain wise and all that. But yeah, definitely had an odor in it. But yeah, came out great. He's happy. I'm happy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.